Okay, dear students, let us see next question. 10th one. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. So a company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container. Let us see here. They are given the diagram. So this is what the cylindrical container they will package milk powder. So of height 20 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter. Then radius will become how much? Diameter is 14. Half of the diameter means 7 centimeter. Next, company places a label around the surface of the container. Means company stick a label around the container, surface of the container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, means that label will be stick 2 centimeter below from the top and 2 centimeter above from the bottom. So here it is 2 centimeter below from the top and 2 centimeter above from the bottom. So this is also 2 centimeter and this is also 2 centimeter. What is the area of the label? So for finding the area of the label, so it has sticked around the cylinder, means container. That means curved surface area. So we need to find the curved surface area of the label. For that, what we need? Radius and height. Radius they have already given 7 centimeter, but we need height of the label only. They have given total height of the cylinder, means container, but we need height of the label. So how we will find the height of the label? That is subtract 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter from the total height. You will get how much? That is 16 centimeter. So 2 centimeter above and 2 centimeter below. So total 4 centimeter means 16 centimeter. That is the height of the label. Now you can easily find the area of the label. That is CSA of that label was stick. So here now area of the label, which is equals to CSA of cylinder. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius 7 and height of the label is 16. So which is equals to 7 on the get cancelled. Multiply 2 into 22 44 and multiply 44 into 16, you will get 704 centimeter square. So this is what the area of the label means, curved surface area of the label. So this is about the solution of 10th question. And by this the exercise 11.3 is completed. So we will see the next section of this chapter, that is volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So what is the volume? So volume means the space occupying solid or the space occupied by the solid is called as the volume of that solid. So here it is a for cylinder. If you keep somewhere this one, it will occupy the place. So that place is called as the volume of this solid. So already I think you know that volume of the cube and cuboid. So volume of cube, which is equals to formula is a cube, means side cube. And next, volume of cuboid, which is equals to length into breadth into height. And next, third one, volume of cylinder. For that formula is pi r square h. So these are the formulae to find the volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Let us take an example. Find the volume of cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. So here from what is the formula? Volume of the cylinder, which is equals to pi r square h. Pi value is 22/7 into radius, how much is there? 7. So r square means 7 into 7 twice into height is 10. 7 on the 7 they get cancelled. So 22 into 7, 154. 154 into 10, 1540 centimeter cube. So this is the unit of 1 centimeter cube, or if they are given meter means meter cube, like that. So the volume of cylinder is how much? 1540 centimeter cube. So this is how you need to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay, we will see the next exercise. Okay, dear students, let us see next exercise of this chapter, that is 11.4. In that first question, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? So let us see in that first one, to find how much it can hold. To find how much it can hold, means you are given cylindrical tank. How much it can hold means how much water it can hold, means capacity of that tank is how much, means what we need to find there, volume or surface area? Volume. How much it can hold means how much water it can hold, that means we need to find the volume. Second one, number of cement bags required to plaster it. Number of cement bags required surface or what? Will you plaster for the surface or something else? So you will plaster for the surface. That means what we need to find? Surface area. So second one is surface area. So plaster means we will do plaster for the only surface. So here like wall. So here by the cement they have plaster the wall. That means this is a surface. Means we need to find the surface area there. Third one. To find the number of smaller tanks. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled, that can be filled with water from it, with water from it means, so water from this cylindrical tank, so it will fill or it can fill how many smaller tanks they ask. That means what we need to find there? The surface area of the smaller tanks or volume of the smaller tank. So water filled with water means we need to find the volume. So here it is, volume, capacity of the smaller tanks. How many or how much water those can hold. That means capacity of the tanks means volume of the tanks we need to find. So this is about the solution of first main question of exercise 11.4. We'll see the next question. Okay, let us see the third question. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So here they are given what? Volume of a cuboid and they are given base area 180 centimeter square. We need to find height of the cuboid. So here this is a cuboid. Volume they are given. Base area means area of the bottom face they are given. So what are the dimensions of the bottom face? Length and the breadth. Then area will be length into breadth. So area they are given, length into breadth they are given how much? 180 centimeter square. We need to find the height. That's it. So here just use the volume formula for the cuboid because they are given volume of a cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So which is equals to what is the formula? Length into breadth into height. So volume how much they are given? 900. So next, area of base they are given means area of the bottom face. So the dimensions of the bottom face are length and breadth. So then what will be the its area? Length into breadth. So length into breadth. That means area of the bottom face into h. So area of bottom face how much they are given? 180. So 180 into h. Now bring 180 to the LHS. That will become division, which is equals to h. So 0 0 get cancelled. 18 ones are 18 5s are. That means height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. So height of this cuboid is how much? 5 centimeter. So this is about the solution of third main question. Okay, try to solve the remaining questions of this exercise. We'll continue in the next class.